Excuse me?
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. We're looking for a very small house.
A small house. What's it like?
It's got a blue door and 3 windows.
It's behind some rocks.
There is a house like that near here.
Who lives there? Who lives in the house?
No one lives there, but there is someone. He doesn't live there, but he sometimes goes there.
What's he like?
He's tall, and he walks like this. He's got a green face and a long nose. And he wears funny hats.
That's Kovacs.
He's got a green face.
He's got a long nose.
He wears funny hats.
He's very tall. And he walks like this. That's Kovacs.
Here we are. Look, we can get through there. Come on.
Oh, dear. I can't get through. Oh, it isn't wide enough. Oh, I'm too fat.
It's wider up there. Muzzy, you're the biggest. Lift the Queen up. Carry her through.
No! Muzzy, thank you. Thank you so much.
Go on, Muzzy. That's the widest part. Up there.
Wide. Wider. Widest. Big. Bigger. Biggest.
My hat's big.
My hat's bigger.
His hat's the biggest, but he can't see anything.
Fast. Faster. Fastest.
I'm fast.
I'm faster. He's the fastest.
Good. Better. Best.
This is good. This is better. Ah, this is the best.
The king's coming with the others. Bob, Sylvia, where's the baby? She's over there. No, she isn't. Where is she? She's got my box. She's invisible. What are we going to do? We're going to find her. Where's your box? I haven't got it. It's in the river. Now there's only one box, and she's got it.